Meet Warren Controls, a leading US-based manufacturing company with a rich history of delivering high-quality engineering solutions. With a strong focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, Warren Controls aim to enhance its customer experience through automation and architectural enhancements. However, they face challenges like compromised user experience, inaccurate price-to-product mapping, and lack of automation, leading to frustrated customers and lost revenue. Plumlogix developed a strategy to streamline price mapping, improve data reporting, and enhance automation, leveraging Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud and Sales Cloud. We implemented custom solutions using Visual Force and Apex classes, and revamped the org architecture to streamline code flow, ensuring accurate data mapping and seamless deployment of automation protocols. The results: 20% revenue growth, 60% customer experience enhancement, 75% improved automation, 60% operational efficiency boost, and 80% accurate data mapping. Warren Controls customers now enjoy a seamless experience, with accurate price-to-product mapping and effortless ordering. Plumlogix, transforming your manufacturing business with our industry expertise and cutting-edge solutions. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and step towards a more efficient and profitable future.